Hey, this is Matt Gallimore with United Country Blue Ridge Land and Auction, and we're just outside of Richmond, Virginia today, and I'm standing here with Jason Underwood, and he's one of our auction hands that's kind of, going through a lot of the machines here and stuff that we're going to offer for sale. And he's going to kind of give us an overview of what's going to be available for that online auction. There's almost 400 items that we have. Consists of tools, household items, and farm equipment, and we got some vehicles too. So we're just going to start here talking about some of the stuff that you can have, but you can go to blueridgelandandauction.com and you can see all the things that we have for sale. So we're going to start here. Opie, and we call him Opie, by the way, that's his nickname, but tell us, we got a fuel tank over here, and we've got a baler over here. Got the grain bin there. So just kind of walk us through, and let's talk about some of the, some of the items that we have for sale, for our online only auction. And again, folks, that auction ends on March 29th, and pickup day is April 1st. But you can get a full list of items at blueridgelandandauction.com. So I'll hand it on over to you.
We've got a lot of farm equipment. We've got blades, bush hogs, balers, tractors, disc binds, old collectible tractors, old collectible cars, but a few things right quick. As he said, we've got the grain bin here. We'll walk inside.
Yeah, and then all this stuff is being sold as is. So
right here is a 541 Ford Workmaster offset. It's 54.
And doing a preview beforehand. Do y'all remember what the preview date is? Isn't it the Saturday before?
The preview is on the 25th of March.
25th of March. And how long are you going to be out here?
From 10 till 1.
10 to 1, okay.
1, 2.
Well, that gives everybody, 2 or 3 hours to come out here and look at everything. Check everything out. That'll be a week before the pickup day. And you want to start this up?
Yeah, let's go ahead and start this. As you can see, it's Vermeer BC 1000 wood chipper.
You got antique machine over there, and so we got some more stuff in different areas. So why don't we pause it for a second and then go up to the other section and show some of that stuff. Okay, so we got a grain bin here. Jason's going to tell us a little more about that, but I do want people to understand that if you are the winning bidder on this, or you will be responsible for loading it up and disassembling it. We're not going to do that, but so if you are the winning bidder on this, you'll need to do that yourself. So tell us a little more about that, Jason.
All right, along with the grain bin, you get the auger.
Okay.
That goes with it to load it.
Okay.
And then you also, it's auger fed to unload it by the bottom here. And it's 14 foot in diameter, 11 foot tall. And right now it's got about 1,300 bushel of corn in it that needs to be taken care of as well. But we'll,
and we got a couple of tractors up here. Now folks, this loader right here and this tractor, that's not for sale. That's somebody else that's using it to, help with stuff. Got a Kubota
tractor back here.
And we had this one running, so Kubota L2350. All right. Okay, we want to do a quick video here just on the vehicles that we have for sale. Jason, go and tell us a little bit about these.
We got a 65 Ford short bed pickup.
Okay.
Next we got a 54 Hudson Jet Liner.
Okay.
Next we've got a Sterling truck with the do-all bed.
Sterling is a 2001.
Okay.
The International is a 2005.
Both these trucks run.
Okay.
Sterling does need a battery or two. Got a 1971 Mach 1 Mustang, 4-speed car. We got this 51 Frazer Vagabond. We got a 1929 Buick Roadster. The Vagabond does run. We haven't got the Buick started yet, but we're still trying.
Okay, folks. Told you about the auction, gave you a little bit of preview of what all we're selling. Go to BlueRidgeLandandAuction.com, or you can go to VAAuctionPro.com. Take you directly to the auction site. Anyway, if you have any questions, just give us a call. Thank you.
Hello again, this is Jason Underwood, Blue Ridge Land and Auction. I wanted to show you one additional item we're adding to the auction down here in Richmond, Virginia. It's a Massey Ferguson 4607M cab tractor, 4-wheel drive with a loader. It's got 509 hours on it. Nice piece of equipment.